Hello and welcome everyone. Introducing IoT-based smart irrigation system under Viksit Bharat Build Ratan 2025. We are Team Jaipuriya, students and innovators for sustainable India. Our team comprises of 5 members, which are Sharad Yadav, that is me, Kirti Deep, Devansh Pandey, Ankit Yadav, and Shaurya.
Let's look at the problem faced in traditional irrigation. As we know, farmers face so many challenges in traditional irrigations, like significant water wastage, no real-time weather prediction, and unreliable irrigation and crop loss. Over 70% of fresh water in India is consumed by agriculture, and a major portion is wasted through manual and time-based irrigation.
Let's look at the solution to the proposed problems. The solution is IoT-based smart irrigation system. Its component comprises of DM280 sensors, which detects the humidity, pressure, and temperature. Then we have soil moisture sensor, which detects the wetness of the soil. And the third, we have raindrop module, which detects the rain and holds the irrigation. At the fourth, we have ESP32 microcontroller, which is a central hub for data collection and processing. At the last, we have water pump, which is used for irrigation.
Now let us see the overview of our project. Our main concept is to automate irrigation system with real-time data, and our primary goal is to reduce water usage for sustainable agriculture, and our secondary goal is to boost agricultural efficiency through smart sensors.
Now, let's take a look at the working of our system. So, in our system, there is a seamless data flow where all the sensors are connected to the ESP32 and sends the important data such as the temperature, humidity, pressure, and rain to the ESP32. ESP32 is now programmed on algorithms to work accordingly and operate the pump based on the suitable conditions for irrigation. Now, we also have intelligent scheduling for irrigation where all the data collected from sensors are collected and are worked upon to check the chances of rain, which can then be used to schedule our irrigation period based on the rain. Now, at third, we have a real-time monitoring for our project where we will be providing all the various parameters on the smartphone of the farmers.
Now let us see the impacts of our project. The water usage will be reduced up to 40%, labor costs will be reduced, crop yield will be more enhanced, and the water footprints will be reduced. Resources will be more proactive and data driven, and the crop yield will be more sustainable and ecologically balanced.
Aligning with Viksit Bharat building domains. First is agricultural and rural development. Help farmer to increase their income. Help farmer to know when the crop needs water or not. IoT, AI for sustainability. Use a sensor to predict when the crop needs water. Know weather conditions when it is raining or not raining. The third is smart infrastructure. It connects multiple farms to one smart system. Farmer can use mobile phone to on or off their farms. The fourth is Digital India Mission. In this mission, farmers are connected to each other and it brings solution digitally.
Now let's discuss the future scope of the IoT-based smart irrigation system, enhancement and expansion. The first topic is advanced AI-based weather forecasting system. It integrates cutting-edge AI for hyper-local predictive weather models. And then we have cloud data analytics for insights. Leverage scalable cloud data platform for real-time data processing. Then we have scalability and expansion. It extends the solution to large-scale farms along with the government initiative for broader sustainable results. Thank you.
At last, I would say that this project will contribute to water conservation, will increase production, and directly align to the Viksit Bharat's mission 2047. Thank you. Empowering farmers, empowering India.